This video provides a comprehensive analysis of the Supreme Court case, Tiangco versus ABS-CBN Corporation, focusing on the distinction between independent contractor status and regular employment under Philippine labor jurisprudence. This case involves petitioner Carmela Tiangco, a renowned journalist, against ABS-CBN. The central legal question is whether a high-profile broadcast talent with an exclusive agreement is a regular employee or an independent contractor, and if the employer has disciplinary authority without specific contractual terms. In July 1986, Tiangco began as a news anchor. By May 1994, an exclusive 3-year talent agreement was established. In December 1995, a breach occurred when she appeared in a commercial endorsement, leading to her suspension in January 1996 and subsequent lawsuit. The procedural history saw the labor arbiter rule in favor of Tiangco, but this was reversed by the NLRC, applying the Sonza versus ABS-CBN doctrine. The Court of Appeals later approved a partial settlement, which the Supreme Court ultimately affirmed, confirming her status as an independent contractor. The core legal issues addressed were: first, the employment status of Tiangco; second, whether ABS-CBN had the authority to suspend her as an independent talent; and third, the effect of the partial settlement agreement on her claims. Applying the fourfold test, the court examined her selection based on unique talent, her payment of high fees, the specific termination clauses in her agreement, and the limit of the employer's control to results rather than the artistic manner of her performance. The Supreme Court emphasized that in broadcast journalism, providing guidelines does not equate to control over the manner and method of presentation. Tiangco's unique talent and celebrity capital were key factors in determining she was not an ordinary subordinate employee. The ruling was anchored in the 2004 precedent of Sonza versus ABS-CBN. The court found that because both Jay Sonza and Mel Tiangco were co-hosts with virtually identical talent contracts, their legal status was indistinguishable. Regarding suspension, the court noted that suspension without pay is a disciplinary penalty for regular employees. As an independent contractor, ABS-CBN had no inherent authority to discipline her under labor rules. The proper recourse for breach would be civil contract rescission or damages. This matrix highlights the differences. Regular employees are hired based on general qualifications, while talents are chosen for unique skills. Furthermore, employment is governed by the labor code, whereas talent relationships are governed by the civil code. Key takeaways include that specialized talent is a strong indicator of an independent contractor relationship, and substantial compensation implies equal bargaining power, which removes the necessity for standard labor law protections in such cases. This concludes our analysis of the Tiangco versus ABS-CBN case. We hope this overview of the findings and legal reasoning has been informative. The images used in this video were sourced from Vecteezy and free-range stock. Thank you for watching.